Hi, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Johnson Lee and Margi Teslau panel LM unit 2 test with level and trend shifts. So this is the panel unit 2 test with structural break. So this test is will make sure that even if there is a structural break, it will tell you if the data is stationary or not. So we'll start with the library. So the library name is uh, it is within the library of GAUSS TSP DBLIB, and the lab function is PDLM. So this function can check up to two breaks. So we'll start with the command. So I have already loaded the library using this command, and then I have loaded the dependent one variable. So you can load one variable one at a time so that you can check for breaks. So this y is my panel data variable. Okay, and then what I will do is I will write the LM. I have already identified that model is 1. Model 1 means that it is checking at break on level, not on trend, and then the number of breaks I will add is 1. So I have written like this. So end break, this is not in the code, so end break equal to 1. So this is something that is not shown here, but model equal to 1 is already there, so I have already added model equal to 1 and it is shown here. So now I'll write pdlm, that will be equal to that will be equal to y, the dependent variable model, which will be equal to on level only, and end break, that find check for break, one break, and then test for unit root. So when I run it, so its LM test will shift, testing with one break. So this is the test value, and the break is at the 11th observation, and the test value is this, and it is significant. So this is saying the data is the test value is significant. Now we can go and check if the what is the null and alternative hypothesis for this test. While studying this paper, the discussion shows that the null hypothesis of this test is that data is non-stationary. So here the test is significant, showing that allowing for one break, the test is significant, means this variable is stationary. So this way you can check for the Lee and Teslau unit to test and panel data with shifts in the data. Thank you very much.